Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will understand the types of the flat belt drive system. The first type is open belt drive. The second type is crossed or twist belt drive. The third type is quarter turn belt drive. The fourth type is belt drive with idler pulleys. The fifth type is compound belt drive. The sixth type is stepped or cone pulley drive. The seventh type is fast and loose pulley drive. The upcoming slides will discuss this topic. Next, we will learn the first type, the open belt drive system. Next, when both pulleys need to rotate in the same direction, an open belt drive is used. Next, in the setup, the tension in the lower section of the belt is greater than that in the upper section. Next, the lower section, which has more tension, is referred to as the tight side, while the upper section, which has less tension, is called the slack side. Please refer to the images shown below for a better understanding. Next, we will learn the second type is crossed or twist belt drive. Next, when the direction of rotation of pulleys is required in opposite direction, then we can use a cross belt drive. Next, in this configuration, the driver pulls the belt from one side, RQ, and delivers it to the other side, LM. Consequently, the tension in the belt RQ is greater than that in the belt LM. Next, the belt RQ, due to the higher tension, is referred to as the tight side, while the belt LM, with lower tension, is called the slack side. Please refer to the images shown below for a better understanding. Next, at a point where the belt crosses, it rubs against each other and there will be excessive wear and tear. To avoid this, the shafts should be placed at a maximum distance of 20 b, where b is the width of the belt, and the speed of the belt should be less than 15 meters per second. Next, we will learn the third type is quarter turn belt drive. Next, the quarter turn belt drive, also known as the right angle belt drive, is designed for use with shafts that are arranged at right angles and rotate in a single direction. Please refer to the images shown in figure A for a better understanding. Next, to ensure the belt does not slip off the pulley, the width of the pulley face should be at least 1.4 times the width of the belt, denoted as 1.4 b. Next, in case the reversible motion is desired, then a quarter turn belt drive with a guide pulley, as shown in figure B, can be employed. Next, we will learn the fourth type is belt drive with idler pulleys. Next, a belt drive with an idler pulley, also known as a jockey pulley drive, is used when shafts are arranged in parallel and when an open belt drive cannot be employed due to a small angle of contact on the smaller pulley. Next, this type of drive is utilized to achieve a high velocity ratio. Next, in cases where motion needs to be transmitted from one shaft to multiple shafts that are arranged in parallel, a belt drive with multiple idler pulleys may be used, as depicted in the accompanying diagram. Please refer to the images shown below: belt drive with single idler pulley and belt drive with multi-idler pulley for a better understanding. Next, we will learn the fifth type is compound belt drive. Next, a compound belt drive, as shown below, is used when power is transmitted from one shaft to another through a number of pulleys. Please refer to the compound belt drive with a number of pulleys. Next, we will learn the sixth type as stepped or cone pulley drive. Next, a stepped or cone pulley drive is used for changing the speed of the driven shaft while the main or driving shaft runs at constant speed. Next, this is accomplished by shifting the belt from one part of the steps to the other. Please refer to the stepped or cone pulley drive system for a better understanding. Next, we will learn the seventh type as fast and loose pulley drive. Next, a fast and loose pulley drive is used when the driven machine shaft needs to be started or stopped at will without disrupting the driving shaft. Next, the pulley that is securely attached to the machine shaft is called the fast pulley and operates at the same speed as the machine shaft. In contrast, the loose pulley moves freely over the machine shaft and cannot transmit any power. When the driven shaft needs to be stopped, the belt is shifted onto the loose pulley using a sliding bar equipped with belt forks. Please refer to the fast and loose pulley drive system for a better understanding. We hope everyone understands the open belt drive, and crossed or twist belt drive, and quarter turn belt drive, and belt drive with idler pulleys, and compound belt drive, and stepped or cone pulley drive, and then fast and loose pulley drive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Please like and leave a comment.